Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new here. I hope you're doing well. Today's video is another advent calendar video, and this time it's on the Sleek Makeup Can't Wait Another Day advent calendar. This was £35 but it is worth £55, so you do save £20. Can't Wait Another Day advent calendar. Different day, always slay. Each day take your face game to the next level. We've got you covered with a bunch of sleek bestsellers and some seriously amazing exclusive surprise. You won't want to wait another day. So the packaging is just like the matte black that they normally have on their products. And then it has lots of gold, bronze and silver as well. So to open the calendar you have to pull this out, and then it opens up into obviously two sides of the advent calendar. This is a 25-day advent calendar, and again the gold, bronze and silver runs out through the whole advent calendar. This is a spoiler video, so if you don't want to watch what is in this advent calendar then please click off this video. I do have other videos that you can go and watch. I know it's only September, but I do like to do advent calendars unboxings every year just for you guys to know what is in all the advent calendars, just in case you are buying them for a friend or want to know if it's worth it or not. So if you'd like to see what is in this advent calendar then please just keep on watching. So obviously we start off with number one, and it is this gold door. I probably won't open the doors on camera. Well, it will be on camera but I'll probably skip it because I have to put it down because it is quite a big box. So the product in door number one is this blush, and this is the rose gold blush. It's a peachy colour and it's got gold flakes in there. So that is the colour of the blush. You can definitely see the gold reflecting glitter in there. Really pretty. So that is day one. So in day number two you get this flat eyeshadow brush, and it looks like a brush for packing onto the lids. So bristle test. Quite good. No bristles come out. I think I own a couple of Sleek eyeshadow brushes, and again it's just got the matte black candles. So that's in day two. So in day three we have this Matte Me Ultra Smooth Matte Lip Cream in Feels, and that is the colour there. It's not a colour that I would particularly wear, it's more like an oranged base sort of colour. So that is day three. So for day four we have this matte nail varnish, and this is in Rioja red. It's a super festive colour. I like they've got the matte black handles so it's easier to grip. So day five, so we have a twist up lip pencil in the colour Deep Cherry. So a very dark purple colour, and that is what it looks like. I do have some lipsticks that would go with this as well if we don't get one in the calendar. So that was day five. So for day number six we have this I Divine eyeshadow palette, and this is in Gleaming in Gold. The only thing I don't like about these palettes is that the pans are so small and you can't actually get, like, if you just want to pack a shadow onto your eye using your finger, you can't actually get your finger in there. I think they could have added a full size eyeshadow palette into the advent calendar but leave it until day 25 for like a big ending. All the eyeshadows are shimmery shades. So these are a couple of the shimmery shades. They're very glittery. It's definitely a good palette for someone who's just starting out in makeup. So that was day six. I probably won't keep this eyeshadow palette. I'll probably gift it to one of my friend's daughters as she's starting out in makeup. So we have a twist up eye pencil in door 7, and this is in the colour Midnight, so it's just a black eyeliner, and that is what the product actually looks like inside the tube. And there is the colour, so it's just a standard matte black eyeliner. So on to door number 8. So for door number 8 we have a Dip It eyeliner in black. It's just a liquid eyeliner and it's like a wand applicator. Again, it's just a standard matte black. So that is day 8. So for day 9 we have another matte nail varnish, and this one is in a velvet slipper, and this is a really pretty purple mauve sort of colour. This is the colour that I would go for. So excited to have that. So for day 10 we have this twist up lip pencil in Shabby Chic, and again it's in this rosy mauve colour, and there it is. Really nice, pretty. It would go really nice with what I have on my lips today. So looking forward to using that. So for day 11 we have another brush, and this is the Precision Lip Brush. So it's just for your lips. Another little bristle test. Absolutely fine. So that's for day 11. So for day 12 we have another I Divine eyeshadow palette, and this is in Storm. You get a lot more dark shades in here. You have got mattes and shimmers as well in this palette. So here are the colours that I swatched from this eyeshadow palette. Really, really nice colours. They are pigmented. It's a nice eyeshadow palette. So that is day 12. So for day 13, we have another Matte Me Ultra Smooth Matte Lip Cream. And this is in Old Hollywood. This looks like a dark cherry, a burgundy shade. And there it is. A really nice colour for autumn, actually. So that is day 13. So in day 14 we have another matte nail varnish, and this is in Birthday Suit. This again is like a nice rosy pink toned. Again, something that I would definitely wear on my nails. For day 15 we have another Twist Up eye pencil, and this is in Chocolate. So it's going to be obviously a brown shade. So the colour is more of a dark brown shade near to black, and it is obviously a matte shade. So that was day 15. For day 16 we had this I'm Conditionally mascara, and it's in black, and that's what the wand looks like. Not a bad wand. So we have another Matte Me Ultra Smooth Matte Lip Cream, and this is in Velvet Slipper. So we did actually get a matte nail varnish in this advent calendar that is in the same shade, so you could kind of like match them up on the day. Wow, that is such a pretty colour. It's like a really, really dark rosy purple shade. Really, really nice colour. So for day 18 we have this Twist Up lip pencil in Currant, and there is the colour Currant. It goes really well with the Velvet Slipper. Can definitely match these together. So that is day 18. So for day 19 we finally get some glitter. I was waiting to see when we were actually going to get any glitter in this advent calendar, and this is the glitter eyeliner in Steel. This is such a cute packaging. The whole eyeliner is glitter. If you can see, even the top bit is glitter. So that is the wand. It's a very thin tipped wand, and there is the colour Steel. It's a little bit chunky. I would have liked it if when you put the colour on, it's just a straight line of the silver glitter. But I will probably use it at Christmas time on top of a matte black eyeliner. That was day 19. For day 20 we have this Twist Up eye pencil in Aubergine, and again it looks like a nice berry shade. That is the colour Aubergine. They definitely go well with the other shades. So a very nice shade. That is number 20. So for day 21 we have another matte nail varnish, and this is in Old Hollywood. So again you have the same shade as the Matte Me lip, so you can obviously put them together on a week or a day. So for day 22 we have another I Divine eyeshadow palette, and this one is in All Night Long. This is what the shades look like. You have a lot of like green coloured eyeshadows in there, and a red and purples. So really nice colours in this palette. And here are some of the swatches. Really, really nice, really pigmented. They are creamy. So that is All Night Long eyeshadow palette. Day 23 we have this Twist Up lip pencil in Raspberry, and it is a really nice colour. They definitely have a lot of lip products this year in this calendar, and that is the colour Raspberry. A really, really nice rosy pink shade. A raspberry shade really. So that is day 23. So we only have 2 days left. So for day 24 we have another Matte Me Ultra Smooth Matte Lip Cream, and this one is in Birthday Suit. I would have liked if they added a lip product, but it was a glittery lip product. That would have been really, really nice for obviously the festive season. So there is the colour Birthday Suit. It is a really nice rosy toned. That is day 24. So we're on to the last day now. For day 25 you get this Lip VIT Semi Matte Lipstick in the shade Couture. It's a nice plum shade. So that is the last product in this advent calendar. I have literally destroyed the box. What do I think about this advent calendar? I think it's great for anyone starting off in makeup, for like young kids to obviously teenagers. It definitely focuses a lot on the lips. Like I said, if they did a full-size eyeshadow palette and left it for day 25, I think that would have been really, really nice. And it obviously focuses more on the plum, reds and rosy tones shades for lip colours. But it is a really nice advent calendar. I think it's a really good beauty advent calendar for obviously someone who wants to do a first beauty advent calendar this year, as it is only £35 and you kind of get a taste of what a beauty advent calendar is. So that is the end of the video. I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you did, then please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Come and follow me on my Instagram page. My Instagram will be somewhere on the screen for you guys. I normally post on Instagram before I do on YouTube. If you have any suggestions on any beauty advent calendars that you would like me to do this year, then please obviously comment down below. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, bye!